国际新闻，咱来关心美国军方针对美国的阿兵哥金恩走入去北韩这件代志，有和北韩联络，也毋过北韩拢点拢无回应。这个阿兵哥是去参加咱北韩交界游览的旅游团，当时的团员就讲，代志是发生了伤紧啊，而且过程是真乱，人就走过界啊。
金恩无经过批准走去北韩，和华府加平壤的关系有新的危機。
We're still gathering facts. Yesterday, the Pentagon reached out to counterparts in the Korean People's Army. My understanding is that those communications have not yet been answered. We retain a number of channels through which we can send messages to the DPRK. As you can imagine, in a situation like this, those discussions are quite sensitive.
北韓的國營媒體到即馬也無講到這件代誌。北韓駐聯合國代表團對相關問題也無回應。美國五角大樓講，今年23歲金恩2021年入伍，本來應該遣返登去美國接受紀律處分，在押送過程逃走，以平民的身份參加北門店觀光團，則被無經過授權下過軍事分界線。
Someone ran close to me very fast, and I thought, what is going on? I didn't think anyone who was sane would want to go to North Korea. It all happened pretty quickly. I probably only saw him running for like a few seconds, and that's all it would have taken to get across the border. A couple of seconds after I saw him, that's when the soldiers shouted and started running after him.
觀察人士講，兩個國家關係真緊張，金恩無啥可能真緊就轉來。金恩佇美國的家人講，金恩會想要去做兵，是因為想要做更加好的家己。伊厝內兄弟有人做警察，有人佇咧海軍服役，越境逃走也毋是金恩第一遍違反。美聯社有摕到一份判決的記錄，去年10月金恩佇咧首爾因為攻擊別人，損害警車被定罪。另外一個涉嫌佇咧一間夜店拍人，不過被害人尾也是撤回告訴。公司新聞吳文玲報道。